Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce annual charges with US Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce annual charges with US Bank, start by reviewing your current account statements. Identify any annual fees associated with your accounts. Consider your account type and how often you use the services offered. Look for any promotions that US Bank may be running. These promotions often waive fees for the first year or reduce them significantly. Next, explore your eligibility for fee waivers. Some accounts waive fees if you meet specific balance requirements. If you maintain a certain balance, ensure it remains above that threshold. Another option is to switch to a different account type with lower fees. Research account options on the US Bank website for alternatives. Speak with a bank representative to discuss your options. They can provide insights tailored to your financial situation. Inquire about any loyalty programs available to you. These programs may offer benefits that reduce annual fees. If you have multiple accounts, consider consolidating them. Consolidation can often lead to fee reductions. Review any additional services tied to your accounts. Determine if you are using them enough to justify their cost. If not, consider removing those services. Lastly, visit the US Bank website regularly. Stay informed about any changes in fees or new account options. By taking these steps, you can effectively reduce annual charges at US Bank. Make sure to monitor your statements regularly for ongoing fee management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.